Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Wiz101, and I will be showing you how to get frosted flax. So, we are here in Nightshade in the common area, and about every 20 seconds or so, ish, you just have to you don't have to run in circles, but I find it more enjoyable. You just run in circles, and then about every 20 seconds, flax will spawn. And then you can go on to the nice and easy place and over down in past Old Town to the shopping district, through Commons into shopping district down to Old Town. You can get the recipe for the um, transmuted frosted flax. Yum, frosted flax. Yeah, you just have to go way down here, go to NR, and now you just have to go shopping recipe, cards, transmuted. Then you can transmute this back at your thing. Here's the tutorial, and jizzle it out.